Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can lock apps with Fingerprint on OPPO A60. So, in order to do this, first we need to go to the settings. In the settings, we need to go to security and privacy. And now over here, what we need to do is scroll all the way down to find the app lock. However, before you can use the fingerprint, you need to set it up. So if you didn't set up the fingerprint unlock yet, then you need to go to device unlock instead. And now over here you need to go to face and fingerprint unlock, and over here you can tap on the fingerprint in order to set up your fingerprint. I also have recorded one video about it, so you can check that out on my channel. But once you set up the fingerprint, then of course you can go to the aforementioned app lock option, and over here you will need to set up the app lock feature. Once you set it up, then you will have the menu, of course, and then you need to go to the top right corner and tap on these three dots over here. Then go to settings. Over here tap on other unlock methods, and here you can tap on this slider next to the fingerprint in order to use the fingerprint in order to unlock apps that are locked behind the app lock. So I have Facebook locked, and I'm gonna show you how it looks like if you can use the fingerprint. So I'm gonna open Facebook, and now I can verify with fingerprint. So I can simply use my finger that I had set up before in order to unlock the app. If for some reason the fingerprint sensor doesn't work for you, then you don't have to worry about it, because if you do so, unfortunately the app is still unlocked. Then, well, anyway, you can still unlock the app by using the privacy password that you had set up as well. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.